laps at the track of my old school. I've been running past all. Hey loves, it's Kasheera, and it's been a long time since I've actually sat down and did like a little, hairstyle video slash chatty video. So I'm really excited. I've been kind of being like out more in the world, and that has really inspired me to start like just doing more, switching up my hairstyles, being more cute. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna be trying a hairstyle today. First of all, you guys have seen this hairstyle before, but it's my first time actually trying to do it successfully. So hopefully I can pull this look off, because I always thought you had to have a certain head shape for the style. It's basically the two puffs, and I was thinking about doing some curly bangs. So we're gonna see. Like, I'm gonna be trying to make this happen, and I really hope that it comes out cute. I am gonna try to lay my edges, but you guys, the struggle is real because my skin is sensitive, and you usually put edge product on your skin. So I really have to I'm gonna try to do the curling cut straight on my edges. Y'all probably like, that's not for your edges, but listen, it's natural. I'm gonna be using the Kinky Curly Knot today to kind of smooth up my sides. I got me some water, and I also have a smooth brush, darling, yes. And I got a scarf over there, and then I got this little brush for laying my edges. This was like, I was trying to do something different with my hair. I can show you guys some pictures, I was like, eh. So this was kind of like a cute little style, but now I want to just transform it. So, okay, what I'm gonna do with my bangs, I'm gonna twist them, right? So I'm gonna spray some water, okay? Right. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep the hair in the front the same amount, even though, like, when I poof it out like this, it's like, oh my gosh, that's too much hair. But yes, you guys, okay, what should we talk about? What should we talk about? Let's see, okay. Let's talk about, actually, you guys, I had a topic that I wanted to talk about. Ooh, y'all, it's a good one too. Okay, you guys, so this topic is gonna be about not saying yes to people because you feel bad. You guys, it's a tough lesson to learn, and we've learned it a couple times. So you guys, I'm gonna really dive into the specifics of this wonderful lesson. But basically, there's been 2 times where we've had friends kind of stay with us, for a minute, because we felt bad, about their situation. But things really kind of unraveled in a way that I really wasn't happy with. And now I realize that it all comes back to us. It's like, why did you say yes? The reason you said yes is because you felt bad. Why did you feel bad? Because you're a human being that cares about people's, situations, especially your friends. But here's what happened, you guys. Basically, we let the first experience that we had with saying yes, that our friends could stay with us, it didn't really go like too sour. But here's the thing, when the stay started to go longer than what we had anticipated, then it was like, now I had to be uncomfortable longer. And I think I never really expected, I didn't even know how I would respond to being uncomfortable in my space for a long period of time. So I was starting to get stressed. I was starting to just get irritated and completely uncomfortable. When you have people staying in your space, it's really not that it's them. It's more so that when it's just you in your own space, you have the freedom to be however you want. But when your space is occupied with anybody else, it could be family, it could be friends, you're just not going to feel the same freedom, and you may feel a little bit like now you're not comfortable in your own home. So basically, I wasn't happy that, I wasn't happy that I had to be uncomfortable for, an extended period of time. It wasn't that I wasn't happy, it's just that I didn't want to be uncomfortable. It was during the time where we had only had our first 1-bedroom apartment out here. We only had it y'all for about like 2 months. Before that, we were living in a room, and that wasn't fun. So what we found ourselves living in a room again, in our own apartment, because we had let our friends stay in the living room. And you know, these are really good friends of ours. So you know, we felt like we could make ourselves uncomfortable, you know, for a hot second, just so they could kind of, you know, like get their things together. But what I never anticipated was just it turning into something like extended, and me not knowing how to express like my uncomfortability to them without them thinking that it's them. I mean, it's not that it's you, it's just that it's the lack of freedom that I had. All the things that are taken away from us because we agreed to this. Now I think it was like we agreed to it for a month, and then it turned into 2 months and more. It just turned into longer and too much as far as like just feeling trapped in a room. So, you know, that was a really interesting lesson, because since we didn't think it was going to be a long stay initially, we didn't even talk about certain things. We didn't talk about, you know, anybody like helping with like electric, you know, or bills, or like, okay, if it goes this long, then y'all can start helping us with this. We didn't talk about any of that. So I would have my little moments where I'm like, can you guys, like, you know, try not to leave this on long if you're not using it. And I feel like anytime you're telling grown folks like what you don't want them to do, they're gonna have a problem, because they're gonna feel like they treat you like you treating them like a kid. But in all reality, if you don't discuss those things in advance, then there's gonna be some, it's not a good situation. All right, you guys, so now I'm gonna just like spray the sides. Just know that I can barely see what I'm doing. I hope this comes out cute. But yeah, I'm gonna spray the sides, and then I'm gonna, oh, I need another hair tie. Dang it. I'll be right back, you guys. Yes, you guys, so this was one of those situations where, all right, you guys, I'm about to spray my hair with water. Also, you guys, this is not my HD camera. It's just, that camera is so big. Like, wait, I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, y'all. I feel like I don't need to do like a perfect middle split, because, you know, it's not like you can see the middle of my hair. Woo! Woo! You guys, how many of you guys out there also do not like water dripping down the back of your neck? Okay. You guys, you know what? I didn't even think about whether I'm gonna leave the puffs out or if I was gonna try to do like some puff buns. But you know, it's a puff, so I guess they gotta be left out. All right, now I'm gonna add some, not today. Wow, I just put a lot in my hand. This is one of those instances where maybe I really should have used a dime size, cause girl. Just all I gotta do is smooth the edges, smooth the edges. Okay, 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 okay. Right, so your friends are gonna start to feel like you just angry at them, but really, you know, it's just the situation. And when people are going through a situation, sometimes they can't necessarily try to feel what you feeling. So all they can think about is like, yo, I thought a big chunk of hair just fell on my hair. But I was like, what is happening to me? Oh my gosh, you guys. This is not what I envisioned it looking like, but it's supposed to be this high. Now, if you guys want like the super sleek look, listen. I'm too grown for that, okay? It's like, wait, what? But yes, you guys, so that was one of the instances where I felt like it did put a strain on the friendship. And, you know, we're still friends with these friends, but I just felt like it put a strain on the relationship, the friendship, because there were certain things that we just didn't think about when it came to like setting those ground rules. So whenever you have people stay with you, you need to set ground rules, y'all. because otherwise, look at my hair. You guys, I kind of want to just keep it in a puff. I'm gonna just put it like this for now and then just see how it looks. I don't know if I want it to be a big old afro puff. Or is that the style? Listen, I'm doing something different today, okay? Alright, now I'm gonna do the other side. Now, the other thing that I want to talk about, you guys, is fake friends. We talking all about friends today, you guys. So I was reading this study that was saying that, it was saying like, they had did this study and that they came to the conclusion that most of the friends that you have don't even like you. And you know, I was thinking about that. You start to think about little things you've noticed about your friends. Alright, don't be paranoid and start thinking that all your friends are like fake friends. But you start to think about your friends and you may, you know, you start to realize like, you know what? There might be some truth to that. You know, when you just feel like your friends don't support you in the way that you want. Or your friends, they not like clapping for you when you win. When like amazing things are happening, they quiet. Like, who wants friends like that? You know what I mean? So I really had to like analyze who I surround myself with, because some of these people out here, man, maybe they was friends with you when they thought that you could do something for them, but then maybe they realized that like maybe you're not doing as much for them. I don't know what to do with these twists. Alright, you guys, listen. How's it looking? Oh my gosh. See, this is why you can't not have a mirror. Hold on. Y'all did not even tell me. Oh my goodness. I guess it could be a little more smooth. I may have to put this mirror somewhere else, y'all. This looks so funny. Look at that gray hair. Dang, I guess I should just wear it out. That's probably the easiest. Okay. I'm gonna just pin these out the way right now. I can't even see. This is cute. Okay, okay. Let's go. Okay. Here come Makai with his phone. I meant not his phone, with my phone. With his show. That's how it be. You be trying to have a little time to do your video and then the kids come out with cartoons. Alright, you guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I'm probably gonna just like slick the sides a little more and then I'll be back, you guys, so I can take these out and show y'all the finished look. Alright, I'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have the scarf on and I laid my edges just a little bit because I realized that like I'm gonna have bangs, so maybe me laying my edges doesn't even matter. But anyway, you guys, let's see how it's looking, okay? I had this rep on for like probably 15 minutes. So let's see what we've done here. Oh, you guys, I got my earrings on. You guys, I have the most beautiful new collection of clay, polymer clay, handmade pieces. And I'm just so proud of my creations, you guys. So go check out Bohemian Afro if you want you some dope statement pieces, because I literally just did, like tapped deep into my creative forces and I created the most beautiful collection I've ever, like, these are the dopest earrings that I've ever made ever. So the dopest collection of earrings. So go check it out, you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. Look at my edges. Okay. And I slicked the sides a little more. Okay. I like it. It's kind of cute. And you guys, the funny thing is I was gonna, bring this down and make bangs, but I kind of like just the puffs, right? What y'all think? To get through
dad's got a tattoo. Wanna know where you're at, but I'm too afraid to ask you.